Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So yeah, we decided to vlog today because we are going to do the first barbecue of the year. So that's pretty exciting. It's gonna be at Julie's father's place. And it's also the first time I meet him. It's like pretty exciting because I've never met him, obviously. It's my girlfriend's father, like meeting your boyfriend's family for the first time. So yeah, but that's what we will do tonight. I just finished my stream. Julie just played some basic games as well, and we're ready. We're pumped. Barbecue. Can't fucking come and get it. It's a beautiful day.
Ja, forstår ikke, hvordan hun kigger ud af nogen der. Det er ingen der.
We're done eating. It was lovely. It tasted good. There was a lot of food and the weather was awesome, and her father is super cool. Okay, when we come home, I think we're gonna find old clothes that is actually new.
Still price tag on?
Yeah, and we're gonna like pick them out so we can sell it. We're actually gonna go to like a hvad hedder det? Et bagagerum. Loppemarked. We're gonna go to Love Market. We're gonna go to like a mini market and sell our used
supermarket. Det er fucking mini market. De tror, vi skal ned i fucking købmanden med det. Oh my god.
No, we're gonna go and sell our stuff at a market. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to a second-hand market. We're gonna make it ourselves actually and sell our second-hand stuff. Hello, mi amigos. This weekend we're basically partying with friends. Det är näsvuxen, det skulle vara det.
Ja.
This is Halle.